Fanboy Mathematics here, and I'm going to be speedrunning the computation of the first homology group of the torus. So the first thing we need to do is to construct the torus itself. It is in fact the quotient space of R2 with respect to the identification that if 2 points are the same or identified, if they differ by 2 pi r are an integer. So T2 is equal to R2 mod Z2, or R2 mod this relation such that two real numbers n and m are identified if and only if n minus m is equal to 2 pi r, wherein r is an element of the integers. So after constructing that, to find homology group, the simplest way of doing that is to abelianize its fundamental group. And recall via the Van Kampen theorem that the fundamental group pi1 of T2 of the torus, of course, is equal to the free group on two generators AB such that A to the minus 1, B to the minus 1 equals 1. The abelianization of a group G is simply a homomorphism from G onto its quotient with respect to a commutator on it, or on its elements. So, the homology group, the first homology group of T2 is isomorphic to the fundamental group of T2 mod its commutator subgroup AB, or the commutator AB, where of course the commutator AB is simply A times B. And in order to abelianize this group here, what we simply need to say is that AB is equal to BA. And so the abelianization of pi1 of T2, which is this quotient over here, a quotient group this time, is equal to this new group here, AB, such that AB, A to the minus 1, B to the minus 1 equals 1, and AB equals BA. And this over here is precisely the first homology group of T2. And because it is abelian and it contains two generators, we can say it has a bijection with the two-dimensional integers Z2. And since there's a bijection between this here and this here, and they essentially have the same structure, this being an additive group and this could possibly be an additive group, then we say that there is an isomorphism between this group and this group. So therefore, this here, via the transitiveness or transitivity property of the equality sign and the isomorphic symbol, you can say that the homology group, first homology group of T2 is precisely Z2.